Want to save thousands on car repairs every year? These 17 simple car maintenance secrets will keep your vehicle running smoothly, avoid costly repairs, and help you pocket up to $3,000 annually. Don't miss out on these easy tips. Number 1. Change your air filter. One of the simplest and most cost-effective ways to improve your car's performance and save money is by regularly changing the air filter. The air filter plays a crucial role in maintaining optimal engine performance. It ensures that clean air is delivered to the engine, allowing for proper combustion. A dirty or clogged air filter can significantly reduce airflow to the engine, making it work harder than necessary. This can lead to decreased fuel efficiency, lower engine power, and increased emissions. Over time, a neglected air filter can also cause long-term damage to engine components. Number 2. Avoid frequent short trips. Frequent short trips, especially those under 5 miles, can be tough on your vehicle. During short drives, the engine doesn't have enough time to reach its optimal operating temperature, which can result in incomplete combustion, excessive wear, and lower fuel efficiency. Cold starts, in particular, cause the engine to work harder and consume more fuel. Over time, short trips can lead to increased carbon buildup, reduced engine life, and more frequent maintenance needs. To minimize these effects, try to combine errands and take longer trips when possible. This allows your engine to reach its ideal temperature, which helps improve fuel efficiency, reduce wear and tear, and extend the lifespan of your vehicle. Number 3. Skip expensive fuel additives. While fuel additives may seem like a quick fix to improve your car's performance, they are often unnecessary and costly. Most modern vehicles are designed to run efficiently without the need for additional chemicals in the fuel. The engine's fuel system is already optimized to handle common issues like carbon buildup and clogged injectors. Using fuel additives may give the impression of improved performance, but they can be a waste of money. Instead, focus on regular maintenance, such as changing your air filter, using quality fuel, and following the manufacturer's recommended service intervals. These simple steps will keep your engine running smoothly without the need for expensive additives. Number 4. Check your car's alignment. Having your car's alignment checked regularly is an essential part of maintaining optimal vehicle performance and ensuring safety. Misalignment occurs when the angles of your car's wheels are not set to the manufacturer's specifications, which can cause uneven tire wear, decreased fuel efficiency, and handling issues. If you notice your car pulling to one side, vibrating at high speeds, or experiencing steering wheel misalignment, it's a sign that your alignment may be off. Driving with poor alignment can also cause unnecessary strain on suspension components and lead to costly repairs down the road. Regularly checking your car's alignment and having it adjusted when necessary can help extend the lifespan of your tires, improve fuel efficiency, and enhance the overall safety and comfort of your ride. Number 5. Clean your battery terminals. Keeping your car's battery terminals clean is a simple yet effective way to maintain a reliable electrical system and prevent costly breakdowns. Over time, corrosion can build up on the battery terminals, which can lead to poor electrical connections, difficulty starting the engine, or even complete battery failure. Regularly cleaning the terminals removes corrosion and ensures that your battery is functioning at its best. You can easily clean the terminals with a mixture of baking soda and water, or by using a dedicated battery terminal cleaner. It's also important to check for any loose connections and tighten them as needed. Number 6. Keep your gas tank at least 1/4 full. Maintaining at least a quarter tank of gas in your vehicle is an important habit that can help prolong the life of your fuel system. Running your tank too low on a regular basis can cause debris and sediment in the bottom of the tank to be drawn into the fuel filter and fuel pump, potentially clogging the system. This could lead to poor engine performance, costly repairs, and even breakdowns. Additionally, driving on a near-empty tank can cause the fuel pump to overheat since it relies on gasoline to keep cool. Keeping your gas tank at least 1/4 full helps prevent these issues and ensures that your vehicle's fuel system operates efficiently. Number 7. Check engine coolant. Regularly checking and maintaining your engine coolant levels is crucial for keeping your vehicle running smoothly and preventing engine overheating. Coolant helps regulate the engine's temperature by absorbing heat and dissipating it through the radiator. If the coolant level is too low, the engine can overheat, leading to potential damage to vital components like the head gasket, radiator, or even the engine itself. To prevent this, ensure that the coolant is at the proper level and is clean and free of contaminants. If you notice any leaks or a decrease in coolant levels, address it immediately to avoid long-term engine damage. Also, it's essential to change your coolant as per your vehicle's manufacturer recommendations, as old or degraded coolant can lose its effectiveness. Number 8. Rotate your tires. Regularly rotating your tires is essential for even tire wear and optimal vehicle performance. Over time, tires wear down differently, depending on their position on the car. For instance, the front tires often wear faster due to steering and braking forces, while rear tires may experience uneven wear due to driving habits. By rotating your tires at regular intervals, you ensure that all 4 tires wear evenly, which extends their lifespan and maximizes their performance. Uneven tire wear can lead to poor handling, decreased fuel efficiency, and a rough ride. Rotating your tires also helps maintain proper traction, improving safety, especially in wet or icy conditions. Most car manufacturers recommend rotating your tires every 6,000 to 8,000 miles, but check your vehicle's manual for specific guidelines. Number 9. Park in the shade or use a sunshade. Parking your car in the shade or using a sunshade can significantly reduce the wear and tear caused by the sun's heat, protecting both the interior and exterior of your vehicle. Prolonged exposure to direct sunlight can cause the dashboard, seats, and upholstery to fade, crack, or deteriorate. The intense heat can also damage the paint, leading to fading or peeling. Additionally, parking in the sun can cause the interior to heat up, making your air conditioning work harder and consume more fuel. By simply parking in the shade or using a sunshade, you can keep your car cooler, reduce the load on your AC, and preserve the appearance and condition of your car's interior. Number 10. Check and replace. Brake pads before they wear out. Checking and replacing your brake pads before they wear out is essential for both safety and cost savings. Worn brake pads reduce your vehicle's ability to stop effectively, increasing the risk of accidents and long-term damage to your braking system. As the pads wear down, they can cause the brake rotors to become damaged, leading to expensive repairs. Regularly inspecting the brake pads and replacing them at the first sign of wear ensures that your brakes remain effective, maintaining safe stopping power and preventing costly repairs down the road. It's important to follow the manufacturer's recommended service intervals for brake pad replacement and to listen for any unusual sounds, such as squealing or grinding, which can indicate that the pads are too worn. Number 11. Check and maintain your suspension. Your vehicle's suspension system plays a critical role in ensuring a smooth ride, maintaining vehicle control, and keeping the tires in contact with the road. Over time, the suspension components such as shocks, struts, and springs can wear out or become damaged. This can lead to poor handling, increased tire wear, and a bumpy, uncomfortable ride. Regularly checking and maintaining your suspension system helps to identify any issues early on, such as leaks, worn-out components, or uneven wear. Number 13. Keep tires properly inflated. Belts and hoses are essential components of your vehicle's engine, driving critical functions like powering the alternator, air conditioning, and coolant circulation. Over time, belts and hoses can wear out, crack, or become brittle due to heat, age, and pressure. If neglected, a worn-out belt or hose can break, leading to engine overheating, electrical failure, or even a complete breakdown. Regularly inspecting and replacing these parts before they fail can save you from expensive repairs and unexpected breakdowns. Pay attention to any signs of wear, such as cracking, fraying, or bulging. Number 14. Change your engine. Oil regularly. Maintaining the correct tire pressure is one of the easiest and most important ways to ensure your vehicle's safety, performance, and fuel efficiency. Underinflated tires can lead to uneven wear, poor handling, and an increased risk of blowouts. They also create more rolling resistance, which reduces fuel efficiency and causes the engine to work harder. On the other hand, overinflated tires can result in a rough ride and less traction, especially in wet conditions. Checking your tire pressure regularly, at least once a month, and before long trips, helps prevent these issues. Number 15. Change. Transmission fluid. Changing your transmission fluid at regular intervals is essential for maintaining the health of your vehicle's transmission system. Transmission fluid helps lubricate the moving parts inside the transmission, ensuring smooth shifting and efficient power transfer from the engine to the wheels. Over time, the fluid can become contaminated or break down, which can lead to poor shifting performance, slipping gears, or even transmission failure. Regularly replacing the fluid ensures that the transmission remains properly lubricated, which improves the overall performance and longevity of your vehicle. The recommended intervals for changing transmission fluid vary by manufacturer, so be sure to consult your owner's manual for specific guidelines. If you notice signs like unusual noises, hard shifting, or a delay in gear engagement, it's a good idea to check the fluid level and condition. Maintaining clean transmission fluid helps prevent costly repairs and ensures smoother, more reliable vehicle operation. Number 16. Replace spark plugs on time. Replacing spark plugs at the recommended intervals is crucial for maintaining engine efficiency and performance. Spark plugs are responsible for igniting the air-fuel mixture in the engine cylinders, enabling the combustion process. Over time, spark plugs can become worn or dirty, leading to misfires, rough idling, and decreased fuel efficiency. If left unchecked, worn spark plugs can also cause engine damage and lead to costly repairs. Regularly replacing your spark plugs ensures that the engine operates smoothly, improves fuel economy, and reduces emissions. Signs that spark plugs may need replacing include difficulty starting the engine, a decrease in acceleration, or a rough idle. Follow the manufacturer's recommendation for spark plug replacement, typically every 30,000 to 100,000 miles, depending on the type of vehicle. Proper spark plug maintenance helps keep your car running efficiently and prevents potential engine problems. Number 17. Don't ignore the check engine light. The check engine light, CEL, is your car's way of alerting you to potential issues within the engine or other critical systems. While it's tempting to ignore the light, especially if the car seems to be running fine, doing so can lead to more serious, expensive problems down the road. A flashing or steady check engine light can signal a range of issues. By following these 17 simple car maintenance tips, you can save money, extend the life of your vehicle, and avoid costly repairs. Remember, a little proactive care goes a long way in keeping your car running smoothly. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks to help you take better care of your car. Drive safe and keep your car in top condition. See you next time.